Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see Math Puzzles, Part 13. Puzzle number 1. The grid below follows a certain logic in each row that is the same for all rows. What is the missing number? You'll have 20 seconds to solve this problem. Your time starts now. Time's up. We multiply 7 into 4, which is 28. Then we add the digits together. So 2 plus 8 is 10, which is the last number in the row. So first, let's do 3 into 6, which is 18, and 1 plus 8 is 9. For the third row, 2 into 5 is 10, and 1 plus 0 is 1, and same with the fourth row. Now we have to find what the last number for the fifth row is. So first, let's multiply 8 into 9, which is 72. Then add the digits 7 and 2 together. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the last number is 9. The boxes below have a certain logic that enables you to predict what the two missing numbers are. Can you find them? You will have 20 seconds to solve this problem. Your time starts now. Time's up. First, we have to multiply 9 into 6, which are the top numbers. So 9 into 6 is 54, and 5 and 4 are on the bottom. Now we have to add all the numbers together. So 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 is 24, which is the middle number. Now let's see for the second one. Let's multiply 4 into 8, which is 32. Then add them together. So 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 is 17, which again is the middle number. And same with the third one. Now let's find out for the fourth one. First, let's multiply 3 into 9, which is 27. We already have the 2 here, so let's write down the 7. Now we have to add all the numbers together to get the middle number. So add 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7, which equals 21, which is the middle number. What are 3 different whole numbers whose sum and product are equal? You'll have 20 seconds to solve this problem. Your time starts now. Time's up. The answer is 1, 2, and 3. So if we add 1 plus 2 plus 3, the sum is 6. And now let's multiply 1, 2, and 3, and the product is also 6. So this is how you get the answer 1, 2, and 3. It's really simple, isn't it? When Samantha was 6 years old, her sister Rosie was half her age. If Samantha is 50 years old today, how old is Rosie? You will have 20 seconds to solve this problem. Your time starts now. Time's up. So here, the answer is that Rosie is 47 years old because when Samantha was 6, Her sister Rosie was half her age, meaning she was 3 years old. So that means Samantha is 3 years older than Rosie. If Samantha is 50 years old today, that means 50 minus 3, which is 47. So Rosie is 47 years old. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.